Hello friends, today I am here to show you how to install miui7 on Lenovo A328 using CWM recovery. First, you need to download miui7. I have downloaded it and I have given the links in the description. You can check it down there. After that, I will reboot into recovery mode. I will open this and go to recovery mode. I will not directly go to choose the zip from SD card because it can damage your device or break it. I'll first wipe it, and before wipe it I will try to backup it, but I don't need it. You can backup it for your safety. I don't require this. I will simply back and wipe data. Yes, it will start. Wait a while. It's done. Now you have to do is install the zip from SD card. Choose zip from SD card. Go down, go down, go down. Here is my ROM. As you can see, it is with miui 7.6.4. I will choose it. Yes, it will start the installing. It will show some warning, but don't worry, it is safe method. As you can see, it's done. Now go back, reboot, and wait some time. It will take some time for the first time to boot up. Don't worry.
जाओ ना